Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to get Chatbox in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document, and the first step is to share your document with other people. So go to File, then go to Share, and click on Share with People, then select Share with People. Now you can invite people by inserting the name or click on Search the address book for contact. You can select if you want this person to edit or view the document. So select edit, and you can include a message. Then click on share. Or you can click on get a sharing link, then copy the edit link, or you can create a view only link. After copying the edit link, just share it with the people you want to share your document with. Now, go to the File tab, Info. Then here you can see the people currently editing your document. Just click on send a message and select send an email message if you want to send an email message to everyone editing this document, or click on send an instant message to start an instant messaging session with everyone editing this document. So to get the chat box, just click on send an instant message. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.